Hello, good morning everyone. Let's continue our chapter 7 Democratic Country of Congo. In short, we can also say it DRC. Now, children, today we will learn about its main features of the land and so let's begin with its location. Democratic Republic of Congo is located in Central Africa and the equator passes through it, and its capital is Kinshasa, which is located on the Congo River. And Democratic Republic of Congo is almost a landlocked country. Now, relief of the land. The relief features of Democratic Republic of Congo are quite similar to India. There are three mountain ranges: coastal plains, high plateaus, a major valley, and a large river basin called the Congo Basin. In fact, River Congo is regarded as the most important river in the country. The river, along with its tributaries, is the major mode of transportation and of extreme economic importance. And its major tributaries are Kasai, Sangha, Ubangi, Aruvimi, and Lilonga. Congo River is also known as the Highway of Central Africa. The eastern part of the country has many lakes like Lake Albert, Lake Edward, and Kivu. Since Democratic Republic of Congo lies in the equatorial region, it receives heavy rainfall throughout the year, and the climate is conducive for the growth of dense and thick forests. There is hardly any soil erosion, and the soil is thoroughly nourished by humus. Now let's learn about the climate. Since the Democratic Republic of Congo lies in the equatorial region, it receives heavy rainfall throughout the year. It is also extremely hot throughout the year. Without much difference in summer and winter, here the days and nights are of equal length. Owing to the year round high temperatures, there is plenty of evaporation, and this means that clouds build up on a regular basis and it rains. This happens almost every evening, and this rainfall is called the 4 o'clock showers. The mornings are normally pleasant with lots of sunshine, and the evenings and nights are cool because of the heavy showers. So, children, we have learned about the location, relief of the land, and the climate of Democratic Republic of Congo. In our next session, we will learn about the plant life and animal life. Till then, goodbye, stay tuned, stay safe.